Hello everyone, this is Rick from Pumps channel and welcome to the amazing world of pumping. We are starting a new channel where you can find a lot of interesting things about pumps, their applications, type of construction materials, different kinds of impellers, and we will try to help you to use the software selection tools like Xylem, Xylect, and other interesting things about drainage, dewatering, sewage, and pumping of wastewater. Basically, we will start with Xylem products like low water, flight, to help you to understand and select the best equipment in the market. Please let me introduce myself. I am a HIPSAP Pumps System Assessment Professional and electrical engineer. In the last 20 years, I have worked with my father in a small family business where we do maintenance, service, rental, sales of pumps and parts, and help many clients to select their pumps and the best applications, for the best applications. Come with us. See you.